So how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages in less than 50 seconds. In less than 50 seconds guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find every single app you have on your phone. Click on Messenger right here and then click on force stop. When you stop the app, now all the app is gonna be stopped. And then go to the data usage. This is very important step. Make sure to enable all these options from the first one to the last one. Exactly like that. Go back and then click on storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. Now all what you want to do is go back and click on power usage details. Make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled like this. And then open the Play Store or the App Store, search for Messenger, update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.